Hi there, Vince here. Welcome to WP Medical. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a post in your WordPress website. Now you have to understand that originally WordPress website is a blog platform, okay, originally. But as time passed by, uh, WordPress has become more like a website rather than just a simple blog. Now, to make a post, it's very simple to do. All you have to do is to log in inside your WordPress and hover over these tabs in your side panel, in your left side panel, and then you can see all posts, add new, categories, and tags. Now, for the first time, all you have to do is to add new. So click add new, and then here you can start posting your article. Now, the first thing that you will see is add title. Okay, and then as before, you will be able to see all the options here. But since that WordPress upgraded to Gutenberg, so they have now the blocks as their main editor. So it changed dramatically for this year, for here, this 2020. Actually, it started since last year, but for now, right now, almost everyone is using now the Gutenberg version. So this is what you will see inside the Gutenberg version. All right. So here you can uh, uh, post your article. Okay. Okay. So this is just an example. The of content. So let's say. This content is already done, or you can have the option also to add new paragraph or add image or make a heading, so or a quote or some other options that you can see, here. So you have formatting, layouts, elements. So I'll be teaching you probably in some other time about the details of this some of these elements. But for now, this video will only cover on how you are going to make a post. Okay, so let's say you already have this one, your article posted. So you have, as you can see, this also changes depending on where you click. So per module, you will have option in your right side panel. But if you click outside, this will change to the entire document. Now you will have the option whether to stick it to the top of the blog or it should be pending review. And also the permalink. This is the link that you will see. If you have not yet customized the permalink like this post or this video, and we haven't yet customized the permalink, then this is what it appears. Now, usually I will customize the permalink. Now, I will teach you later in one of the videos here on how you are going to change the permalink. Now, also make sure that you put categories. So all you have to do is to add category here. Click this one. Let's say new course. Okay, and then click add. Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, and then the same thing with tags. Now the difference between tags is that categories are more like specific broader topic. Okay, and then tags are more specific topic. Okay, than categories. Now you may also put feature image. Okay, so if you have an image, you can just drop it there. Okay, so again, this is the Gutenberg version. Now again, in my previous video, I have mentioned about Yoast SEO, and you can optimize it here. Now, but basically this one is how you make a post. Now, once you are done with that, then all you have to do is to click publish. Okay, so let's click publish and let's see what happens. Okay, then you can also visit post here. So right click, then open to new window, and then okay, so this is an example of how it looks like at the front end. So as you can see, this is our title, and then Lorem Ipsum. Okay, so I think that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Vince Soler, your WP Medic.